Hey, welcome to Educreatorbuddy channel. Today we are going to see determinant by Cramer's rule. One problem is given. Let's solve it. To click on the respective boxes, two steps. First step, A is equal to putting the values 7 minus 8 minus 1 minus 1. Formula, in the formula 7 minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 8. Okay. What is the second step? Second step, determinant of A 7 into minus 1 minus 7 minus 8. How it's come? Minus 1 into minus 8 is equal to 8. Then you will get third step. What is third step? Determinant of A is equal to minus 15. Minus 7 minus 8 is equal to minus 15. Click on the new problem box. You will get new problem. See, click on the new problem, you will get new problem and you can solve it. Click on the first step, you will get first step. Then click on the second step, you will get second step and the third step. This way you can solve many problems. Click on the new problem, you will get next problem. See first step, second step and then third step. This way you can practice this determinant method and you will become expert. New problem. First step, click on the first step, you will get first step. Click on the second step, you will get second step. Check, is it right answer? Minus 8 into 5 minus 40 minus 6 into 7 minus 42. See third step, you will get 2 because minus 40 minus minus plus 42 minus 40 is equal to 2. See new problem. First step, check. Second step and third step. Determinant of A is equal to minus 6. Click on the new problem. New problem is created. Check first step, then second step and click on the third step. You will get the third step, that is the final answer. Determinant of A is equal to minus 39. 48 minus 9. Sin minus 9 minus 39. Let's see next problem, new problem. Next problem or a new problem. Click on the new problem, you will get new problem. Click on the new problem, you will get new problem. See the answer. Click on the first step, second step and third step. You will get answer. Determinant A is equal to 7. I given the link in the description box. You go to the description box and click on the link. So you will get the link and you can practice. Thank you. Share, subscribe and comments in the box.